Delicious food, chop suey, vegetable chop suey. All these and delicious recipes are found in Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine Cookbook Recipes, written by Juanita Gutierrez, now available at Amazon.com and all bookstores nationwide. This is my beloved mother when she was young and we were little, and this is our kitchen in the Philippines, and she loves to cook delicious food that made us ask for more. Mabuhay ang pagkaing Pilipino, mabuhay ang Pilipinas, mabuhay ang ating mga magulang, lalo na po ang aking nanay at ang aking tatay na nagtrabaho sa Amerika para makapag-aral po kaming lahat sa kolehiyo. Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora Philippines Cuisine Cookbook Recipes, written by her adoring daughter Juanita Gutierrez, and my dad, who works as a stenographer in Wake Island in Panam Airways Airport. Hamito Gutierrez was also a town mayor in our Philippines town, and Mom is the first woman councilor. Didn't even campaign, and when she cooks, everybody loves it, and all her secrets, cooking skills, are now in this book, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine Cookbook Recipes, written by Juanita Gutierrez, now available at Amazon, Xlibris, and all bookstores. Enjoy the sumptuous meal that God gave us. God bless us all. Have a wonderful day. This is my beautiful mom, and I'm sure your parents are also wonderful. Enjoy life. God is good. Love and light to all.